Kaveh, violinist and music educator, back again with another lesson in my series called Essential Elements for Strings, Book 1. The lesson today is primarily for violin because we're going to open up our book to page 38 in Essential Elements for Strings, or Essential Elements 2000 for strings. And we're going to learn about the E string. If you don't know how to tune your violin, don't forget there's going to be a link down below where I teach you how to do that. And also, if you missed our last lesson, don't forget to check out my playlist to go over our last lesson before doing this one. So today we're going to learn about the E string, and the E string is your thinnest and highest string, open string. So you're going to have to lower your arm to get to the E string. Go ahead and find your E. If your violin is in tune, should work, and play a bunch of E's. Good. Don't forget your bow needs to be 1 inch to the bridge when you play this, and we're going to start on 156. Let's read E. I'm going to count to 4 and we're going to play it twice. 1, 2, 3, now, and one more time, go. Good. Don't be afraid of the E string. It's going to sound louder to your ear than the other strings, but go ahead and punch it. Play it really nice and loud. Next finger we're going to learn is third finger on the E string, and that is an A. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3 fingers on the E string to play the high A. Go ahead and find that now and play it. Find it. And let's do 157 twice. Don't forget the notes change in some of these exercises. 157. 1, 2, 3, and loud, go. Again. Good. 158, let's read G. Don't forget the key signature. There are no sharps or flats, so you're playing G natural. G and G natural are the same note, and that is a low 2 on the E string right next to your first finger. So not on the tape. Low 2 on the E string is G. Go ahead and find it. G on the E string, find it. Low 2. Good. 158 twice. 1, 2, 3, and now, and again, go. Good. 159, let's read F sharp. Don't forget F sharp is 1 finger on the E string. F sharp, and the notes change in this exercise. Here we go with F sharp. Find it. First tape. It's on the tape on the E string. 1 finger. 1, 2, 3. Play loud. Go. Again. Good. Moving along, and we are moving along to moving along. 160. Name the notes before you play, or you could say the notes while you play. Don't forget about the low 2 on the E string. That's a G natural. Starting with third finger on the E string, find it. That's an A. Here we go, moving along. 1, 2, 3, and go. A, G, F sharp, E, E. Rhythm changes. One more time, go! Nice and loud. Good. Going on to 161, the G major scale. Now we do have an F sharp in the key signature, so you're going to be playing F sharp on the E string, which is on the tape. But don't forget about the low twos with the arrows pointing down for C natural and G natural. Here we go. Here's G on the tape on the D string, 161. 1, 2, G major scale, go. One more time. Begin and go. Good. Don't forget, if anything's too hard, you're going to want to pause the video to practice little sections, 2 measures at a time, and then 3 times in a row to fix them up. But I'm going to assume you already did that yesterday, so here's 162, Shepherd's Hay. Let's play it 3 times. You can listen once and play it twice, or play it with me now. I'm going to count to 2. Ready, with a low 2 on the E string. 1, 2. One more time, go! Good. 163, Big Rock Candy Mountain. Don't forget about the first ending, which goes back to the first whole measure, and the second time you're going to skip the first ending and go to the second ending. Let's play this slowly. Don't forget about the low 2s on the E string. I'm going to count to 3, then we're going to play the pickup together on 4 and. Get ready to play. F sharp to start. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Second ending. Did you get it? If you didn't, pause the video now to practice, and you're back. We're going to play this whole song faster now. Ready? I'm going to count to 3, so get ready to play. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. All right, good job. Going on to 164, let's read B. B is the 4th finger on the E string. And let's get up to it by playing E, F sharp, G low 2, third finger A, and fourth finger B. All four fingers should be down. Play your Bs. Find it? All right. Good. 164, leave it there. We're going to play Let's Read B twice. I'm going to count to 2, not to 4. We're in 2/4 time. Ready? 1, 2. Again. All right, good job. Going on to ice skating number 165. I'm going to count to 3 and we're going to play together on the 4th beat. That's called the pickup. Go ahead and get ready for an up bow, not a down bow. 1, 2, 3. Again. Good. Let's do a fast one. Get ready to play. 1, 2, 3. Good. And last tune, 166. Don't forget, if that was hard, that previous song, pause the video to practice. 166, there are 2 beats in the measure in 2/4 time. So you're going to see a pickup on the 2nd beat going into the 1st measure. So I'm going to count like this. 1, 2, 1. Play the A. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Again. One more time. All right, good job, folks. Today's lesson was kind of a play-along lesson, so I'm assuming I already taught you and you've learned how to practice effectively where you do little spots, make them better, and play them 3 times in a row, and then fit all the pieces together. So pause the video in future lessons if you're having any trouble. Again, my name is Kaveh. I appreciate you watching all the way to the end of the video. Don't forget to hit all the buttons down below, subscribe to the channel, and check out the Essential Elements playlist on my channel. Click on my name and click on playlists on my channel and look for the playlist called Essential Elements. All right, there's some more music on my channel if you want to hear some music I wrote, and I also have some chin rest and shoulder rest reviews and other gear reviews you might find interesting, but I think you probably want to go outside and do something fun. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.